Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix AutoCAD licensing errors in 2026. If AutoCAD displays a license error, activation problem, or refuses to start because of licensing issues, this guide will walk you through the most common solutions step by step. First, close AutoCAD completely and restart your computer. A simple restart can often refresh Autodesk licensing services and resolve temporary activation problems. Next, make sure you're signed in with the correct Autodesk account. The account you use must be linked to an active subscription, educational license, or free trial. Now check your internet connection. AutoCAD may need to verify your license online, so ensure you have a stable connection before opening the software again. Next, open the Autodesk Access application and install any available updates for AutoCAD and the Autodesk licensing service. Running outdated software can lead to license verification errors. If the problem continues, sign out of your Autodesk account inside AutoCAD, then sign back in using the same account linked to your license. Now verify that your computer's date, time, and time zone are set correctly. Incorrect system settings can sometimes interfere with license validation. Finally, if the licensing error still appears, repair the Autodesk licensing service or reinstall it if necessary. If none of these steps work, contact Autodesk support with the exact error message for further assistance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix AutoCAD licensing errors step by step. Your software should now activate and run normally. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.